Room 10,700.
10 forward, baby.
10 forward. Now, if you can get the door to open, here we go. Hey, Sally.
Hey, this is insane.
This is our room.
Hold on.
Look how big it is. This thing is bigger than our house at home. What do we got?
You got a walk-in closet.
A big flat screen TV, bunch of drawers.
Wait. I can't.
Oh, and check this out.
I can't believe this.
We're forward. That's the front of the ship.
I can't even believe how cool this is.
That's Miami out there. There's a sitting area here.
This is insane.
We got our 12-pack of
Dude,
waters.
This room right here is bigger than our hotel room was last night.
What else do we have?
But when I was looking for the bathroom and I couldn't even find it because this room is so big, I found this. Welcome to our living room.
And another TV. A makeup thing. Another closet.
That's the linen closet.
The linen closet.
Our room has a linen closet. I got my whole, this is where I'm doing my makeup. And
What's in here?
too bad I didn't bring my bubble bath because I have a bathtub.
A bathtub.
We have 2 sinks.
2 sinks. A toilet.
Like a whole entire bathroom. I can't believe this.
This was an upgrade. We had an inside cabin, and for $200 more, we got this.
This is like way bigger than the balcony rooms we were just looking at.
Exactly.
Balcony.
Who needs a balcony? We got the entire decks upstairs, and if we want to see what's going on outside, we'll just look out the window.
This is, I want to actually hang out in the room.
And we can bring our drinks, and we should have brought some cards and stuff, but anyhow. That's our room, 10,700 on the Norwegian Escape.
10 forward.
10 forward, make it so.